So here's a little snip on how to put a hard start kit. So this wire is going to be your compressor, so it's going to go to compressor on your capacitor. Make sure you have the power off when you do this from the disconnector breaker. And then your red wire, which is your common, will go to your common on your capacitor. And then what else? You have a run wire that goes from the relay, goes to the bottom left of your contactor there. Doesn't really matter what peg, but just on the bottom left side. And of course, zip tie these wires, make it look clean, mount it in a good area. That's what these little holes are for, with these tap screws. Once you're done, fire the unit up and you're all done.